Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are talking about one thing that will make all your videos better, and we're doing that right now. So 2020 and COVID have thrust most of us into the online video space, whether we like it or not. Now, the good news is we don't have to have a ton of production skills or savvy to make that video experience better. Whether that's a Zoom call, a webinar, your IG or Facebook lives, and yes, even the YouTubes, you can make that better. And as a matter of fact, you can improve how you look and your viewers' experience all for less than 40 bucks. Wait, what? Yep, that's right. For under 40 bucks, you can improve how you look on your videos as well as the experience that your viewers are having on the other end. So my lovely wife Judy has resisted video for many years. However, this last year she's really embraced it. She's done a lot of webinars and a lot of Facebook lives and IG lives promoting her book and her coaching program. She, not being super tech savvy, needed something that was easy to set up, not complicated, and simple to use. Okay, get to the point. What are we talking about already? We're talking about this guy right here, an LED ring light. Now, look at that, that's pretty bright. Yes, you can get this LED ring light and it'll make your video better, all for less than $40. I'll leave a link down in the description below, which is an affiliate link to Amazon where you can find one of your own. So as you can see here in these shots, before and after, so you can judge for yourself. You got this nice soft light. You don't always have nice natural diffused light coming in from outside. A lot of the normal light fixtures in your house aren't ideal and they might cause harsh shadows or not light you up very flattering. So this way you're set to go. It's a nice even diffused light. Comes with a stand, comes with a phone clip that attaches right onto the stand, and you're good to go. There's also a cold shoe mount right here in the middle if you want to mount the phone using some different attachments or a microphone. You've got everything that you need in a very simple, elegant package to have some nice, diffused, soft light. So there you have it, a simple and elegant solution to make all your videos better, and it doesn't break the bank. So you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by. Hopefully this video was of some value to you. If so, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified anytime a new video drops. And until next time, cheers.